This will be a speed test between the iPhone XS Max versus the Pocophone F1. Now the XS Max, this one has the 812 Bionic chip and 4 gigs of RAM. Pocophone F1 has the Snapdragon 845, has 6 gigs of RAM, and keep in mind that the Pocophone F1 is about a third of the price of the XS Max. So can the F1 keep up with an actual flagship phone? So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has a faster boot up. Let's go. And give the boot up win to the Pocophone. And we are in! There's nothing open in the background on both. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close. Messages. Ooh, I don't know. Very close again. Camera. You guys are the judges. Clock on both phones. Man, a little bit too close to call. Start the stopwatch on both and leave that running in the background. The browsers, Safari and Chrome, let's go. Search for GSM Arena on both. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar and give this to the Pocophone. Scroll through this and go to the desktop version. Looking at the progress bar and give this to the Pocophone F1 again. Pinch to zoom. Leave that in the background. Calculator on both. Very close. Play Store and App Store. Let's go. Give that to the Pocophone. Search for Lyft on both. Leave it on that page. Amazon Shopping. Give that to the Pocophone. Click on this Deal of the Day and leave it on this page. eBay on both. Pocophone again. Click on this Xbox. Leave it right there. NFL app. And give this to the XS. Baseball app, let's go. And give this to the XS. Super Mario Run. Loading on the Pocophone F1. And give this to the Pocophone. Tap to begin. iPhone XS, a little bit faster running the game. And leave it right there. Subway Surf. And give this to the XS. Tap to play. Close it out. Temple Run 2. Pirate Cove on this one. Woo! We might have a draw here. Let's find out. And oh man, so close. Maybe the F1 by a split second. Slow down the video for me. Tap to play. And we'll close it out. San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar, looks like the Pocophone is out in front, so you can see. And give this win to the Pocophone F1. Smash hit. Ooh, give this to the F1 by a split second. Start this up and leave that running in the background. Twitter on both. F1. Little bit of a delay on the XS. Instagram. F1 again. And Snapchat. F1. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background as you can see. So let's just see what happens right now. Starting with Instagram. Good to go. Twitter. Still in RAM. Smash hit. Ready to go on both. San Andreas. Ready to play on both phones. Temple Run 2. Paused and ready to resume on both. Subway Surf. Paused and ready to resume also. Mario Run. Good to go. At bat. Same place. NFL. little bit faster on the iPhone. I think we have a reload here on the Poco. eBay, a little bit faster on the iPhone, as you can see. Amazon, give that to the XS. App Store and Play Store, still on Lyft. Calculator, same place. Browsers, a little bit faster on the left. Clock on both phones, still running the stopwatch. Camera, you guys are the judges. Messages, a little bit faster on the right, I think. And the phone app, boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you an Apple iSheep rocking the new iPhone XS or XS Plus with a notch up top, no headphone jack, and a slow charger in the box with no headphone adapter? Or do you have yourself a Poco F1? This phone coming in with some excellent specs such as a Snapdragon 845 and 6 or 8 gigs of RAM for literally a third or a half the price of some of these other phones. Let me know in the comments below if you have yourself the Poco F1. Thanks for watching. Peace out.